Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So basically I just wanted to show you guys how to get your DSLR used as a webcam and not have a cam link. As you all know, there's a lot of shortages with webcams at the moment. You can't find them anywhere. We've had back orders, and for us in South Africa, we don't find any cam links. I haven't found anything with all of our online shops. There has been on Amazon, but you'll see them for like $299, so that's quite a lot for us. So basically I was playing around today trying to figure out how to get the Canon, I've got the 800D to be used as my webcam, and basically I found that if I use the micro HDMI cable and I plug that in straight on my motherboard's HDMI with your normal USB for your camera, just to link it with the PC, then basically you'll find this. So first of all, you'll get your EOS utility launcher. That will be you can download it from Canon. You can just say software, you can find it. It's quite simple to find. I'll put a link in the description below where to find it. All I did is I picked my Canon 800D. There we go. I'm just plugging in this camera for you guys to see. So basically the camera's plugged in now. This is my Streamlabs that I'm going to show you just now. You basically use EOS utility, remote shooting. It'll open up this. At the bottom you just click live shoot and voila. So basically the camera is working properly now. You can change all your settings later. I just left everything at default. So in a nutshell, basically I can just delete this and do it from scratch. So I've got my whole setup for the stream. All you do is you click your plus button, you click window capture mode, add a source. You can say Canon webcam if you want, or Canon whatever you like. Capture cursor I usually put off. All you do is you pick remote live view window, and once that's done, it's done on your stream. Now for you to crop this nicely, basically all you have to do is you press Alt, you drag and make it nice and tidy, fit it into the window you want. Basically like this is fine for me. I'll put it on my little webcam overlay at the bottom there, just resize it a bit, and that looks good. So basically that is it. Once you've done this, you can just save it on your Streamlabs. You can lock it in, you can take it off and on whenever you want. You can minimize. Okay, so basically I just wanted to show you guys which I just found. So if you have this little white box here, you see it's on the webcam, it's on everything. So if you wanted to get that away, all you do is at the bottom here, just AF point display off. Just click on it and voila, it is gone. Now thanks guys, I hope you enjoy. Leave a like, subscribe if you guys found this helpful. I really do appreciate it, and thanks for watching. Cheers.